Ninja restaurant. This is my first time to eat here in Ninja restaurant. So like this guys. Gayahin natin guys. Tapos lagi ganito natin sausaw. Tapos mikos-mikos na.
बस अलदीन अकेल इन जाना
Tastes good. But chili water only. Too much chili. Maanghang talaga siya, maanghang. Good. So may patubig kasi maanghang.
Panang kambing.
Panang kambing? Ay, what is this?
Paya.
Paya.
Paya, panang kambing.
Sabi niya, this is paya. Ang paya pala guys, ano siya, paanang kambing. So masarap siya guys, ito yung sinasabi, tinatawag nila paya. So paa pala siya ng kambing. Masarap naman. Masarap talaga sa porota. Ay, beef masala. Ito yung porota.